Hello friends, welcome to my channel Easy to Learn. Today we are talking about days named in a week. Sunday, Sunday. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday. Friday, Friday. Saturday. Revise again. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Please press bell icon